Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change the opacity of a picture in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your picture, then open this picture, change opacity, direct change opacity or undirect, use manually, opacity change manually, select the eraser, background eraser tool or eraser tool, resize, press enter and use selection eraser. Select, click again, eraser selection, opacity, okay, then draw and again change opacity 22%, right click, use without hardness, then draw and another way, select the effect, blending options and use fill opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.